Lean was born out of manufacturing practices, but in recent times has transformed the world of knowledge work and management. It encourages the practice of continuous improvement and is based on the fundamental idea of respect for people. It has been defined by 5 principles which are considered to be the recipe for improving workplace efficiency. These principles are the defining of value, the mapping of the value stream, creating flow through the business process, using a pull system, and continuously pursuing perfection. Lean is the continuous improvement methodology that is composed of 5 principles that form a never ending cycle. Unlike Six Sigma, Lean does not focus on reducing defects, but rather on reducing waste. As such, first we need to identify what value actually is. Then we map the value stream of the process. We create flow within the system by removing any bottlenecks, and we seek to establish a pull system rather than batch processing. Then, of course, we start the cycle all over again, each time seeking to improve on the process even more. In order to achieve lean thinking, you must start by defining the value of the product or service in the eyes of the customer. Value is only relevant at a specific price and point in time. Value represents the need of the customer, the voice of the customer. The problem most organizations have in specifying value is that they tend to concentrate on what they are able to deliver rather than what it is that the customer really wants. This is known as the fallacy of we know their needs better than they do. Value stream mapping is one of the most effective and efficient means of identifying wasteful activities in any organization or process, and is in many ways one of the first tools we use in an initiative. It is a visual tool that shows the flow through an organization or process, and it helps us to identify redundancy and any bottlenecks that, if resolved, would equal quick and easy wins for a first project. The value stream map itself is, in all simplicity, a flowchart with a few extra symbols. They include information on manpower and cycle times. In Lean, we generally make 2 value stream maps, one which shows the current state, and then another which shows the future state, the goal, or the perfect process map. Lean flow refers to how people or items involved in the manufacturing process are moved from step to step, from the start of the process to the end. Clearly, the goal is to ensure that a product or item moves as quickly as possible through the process without affecting customer satisfaction or product quality. Flow principles stress the fact that the best way for a process to run is to ensure that the absolute minimum resources and time are required from start to finish by linking all value-added steps involved together. Lean strives on the idea of making one and moving on, as this offers the highest level of efficiency. A pull system is a technique for reducing the waste of any process. It allows you to start new work only when there is a customer demand for it, which in turn allows you to reduce overhead and optimize storage costs. The purpose of implementing a pull system is to build products based on actual demand and not based on forecasts like many companies have done over the years. By doing so, your company can focus on eliminating waste activities in the production process and, as a result, optimize your resources and, of course, reduce the possibility of overstocking. Like Six Sigma, Lean is also a methodology, a set of tools and techniques designed specifically for the purpose of reducing and eliminating any non-value-added activities within an organization or process. The main tool in the Lean tool belt is the value stream, which provides a visualization of a process or group of processes. That allows for the identification of waste opportunities. These wasteful, non-value-added activities are represented by the acronym downtime, which stands for defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talents, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing, which are commonly referred to as muda, or the seven wastes. Quality control is crucial to the success of any business. It can either make or break an organization. Good quality products and services build trust and lead to repeat business. But bad quality costs an organization money and drives that business away. Every week, we upload new videos between 5 and 10 minutes in length, where we will focus on the concepts and strategic implementation of Lean and Six Sigma. As a Master Black Belt, I am passionate about quality. And if you are too, then click subscribe to be notified whenever we upload our next Lean Six Sigma video.